Hey guys, how you doing today? I just got some new vintage unopened NBA hoops from 1990-91 season. From the set, I'm looking for the Michael Jordans, and I'm also looking for the Mark Jacksons. Mark Jackson's rookies, so shout out. I actually got this thing off of eBay recently. I didn't really spend much for it. I think it was like a total of 20 with shipping. But the person that I bought it from sent me a letter. It says, "Thanks for being my first sale on eBay. I'm selling my personal collection, baseball, basketball, football." He also put his email and telephone on there because I want to buy some more stuff. So I don't know. I might check Jeff out and see what else he has. Del Murray deserves to be in the Hall of Fame. I kind of agree with that. All right, so let's see what we got going on today. I used to love these cards. This is like the year I really majorly started collecting when I was a kid. I remember buying these things from like this comic book store near my grandmother's house. Every Saturday I would just go there, spend my $5 allowance I would get for cutting the grass, and just buy packs. I think they were really extremely cheap back then. I'm looking at some of my old cards now and realize like how bad of condition they are and how bad shape I took care of them. So let's see what we get here. Like I said, looking from the MJ, looking from the Mark Jackson. I'm sure some other people in there, and I'm probably gonna set to the side some stars. But those are like the two main cards I'm looking for. So let's just go through some packs. All right. Stanley King, Sherman Douglas, rookie. Pat Riley, coach. Dayton Barrows, rookie. Greg Hodges, Danny Ainge, Deflet Shrimp. There's Scottie Pippen. It's not very well centered. All-star card. We'll set that to the side. So this should be pretty fun to do. This just brings back memories of being in elementary school and earning money and going and actually buying some packs. And open them up and trading them with my neighbors and my friends in school. Sean Talley, Michael Adams, Glenn Rice rookie, and put that to the side. Glenn Rice, decent career. Michigan graduate. Won the national championship while I was there. Kevin Johnson, all-star card. Let's see if I can pull some pretty cool stuff out of this pack. These are plastic. Oh, Drazen Petrovic on the back. BJ Armstrong rookie. Sam Bowie. Cliff Robinson rookie. I'll check later to see if anything's other than the Jordan and the Mark Jackson's worth something. I think it's also a Jordan in here too, where he's like wearing number 12. I'll keep an eye out for it. Put that to the side too. BJ Armstrong. I used to collect him so bad. Let's see how fast I can get through these. Let's see if I get through these pretty quickly. I don't want an extremely long video. There it is. Lottie Divac. The centering on these things. Look how bad this one is cut. Wow. They didn't even try to cut this one correctly. That's the Dale Curry. The original Curry. And it's terribly cut. They didn't even try to get into the edges. Wow. No wonder like a grade 10, when you get cards like this, is worth so much, because they didn't really spend that much time and effort making sure these things are like cut correctly. They just kind of just, it's like mass production. They produce so many of these things. I guess they didn't really keep up with like the quality, the cut. I think the Jordan and the PSA 10 is like 50, 60 bucks. So fingers crossed I get one of those. There's the Magic. Once again, it's not cut well at all. It's not well centered. Top, bottom, or left and right. But I'll put Magic to the side. I'm gonna Chuck Person. There it is. Sam Vincent card. So this isn't really well centered, but you can see Michael Jordan with the number 12. So that card has some value. I'll put it to the side. It's not cut well. Don Chaney. Joshua Petrovich, once again, a rookie. This one's centering still off. It's like 60-40. But I'll put them to the side. I got some decent rookies that year. Joshua Petrovich. A lot of foreign players came in the league that year and did really well. A lot of E-lots. Whoop, and there it is on the top. I hope I didn't damage it. Is it centered well? It is not centered well at all. But it's still the Michael Jordan from this set. Michael Jeffrey Jordan. Sam Bowie, the person was drafted before him, right after him in this. Honey Cycli. Chris Mullin, All-Star. Charles Barkley, All-Star. See, we get another Jordan, but very well centered. With some sharp edges. I mean, if I can get it graded to a 10, it's for the PC. I might sell it. My wife wants me to start doing some cards. She feels like I'm starting to have like way too many. David Robinson. This one's centered extremely well. Rookie of the Year card. It's not the rookie card. Put this in this pile right here. It's a pretty good one. Kelly Tripucka. Former Detroit Piston. He had traded away. There's Ralph Sampson. I think it's with the Kings. Larry Brown. That's my dude right there. He coached the Pistons. I think he was like the bench coach. He turned that franchise like from we are good players to we are a good team. And like led them to 2 championship seasons. We only won 1 though. John Talley. Sean Elliott rookie. Not well centered at all. Dana Barrows. There's another Sam Vincent. This one's centered much better. I still think it's off majorly in the corners and edges are not that great. I'm gonna set it to the side. Review later. Mark McGuire. There's Clyde Drexler, All-Star. Jerome Kersey. The Portland team was pretty good. In the late 80s, early 90s with Clyde. They just could never get past it. First the Pistons, then they couldn't get past the Bulls for a championship. And they had to contest with the Lakers back then too. They had a good team, just couldn't do it. Danny Manning, the Magic, most valuable player. Barrows. Travis Ellison, Robert Parrish, All-Star. I'm gonna speed it up, guys, so the video doesn't take forever. Actually, this would be easier. Just put the top off. Pull the cards up. Come on. As a kid, I didn't realize how bad these cards were cut. Like, it was just cool to have them. I didn't realize like it was cut bad. I used to have a kid on my block. He used to only want people dunking. So if it was like, yeah, like a Michael Jordan card with him not dunking, I'm like, hey, I'll take that Jordan card off you. Here's somebody. Here's some random player dunking. Do you want this? I'm like, yeah, Corey. Like I said, I'll look it up later and see if anything's worth anything. I might put it on ComC. I still haven't done my first scenario yet. I'm going through a bunch of like just stacks of cards that I have. And I'm trying to just. My wife's just like, these things kind of gotta go. You got boxes of them and you're not doing anything with them. The ones you want, you keep. There's Isaiah. All Pistons stay. All Isaiah Thomas cards stay. I'll get through these quickly as possible. Guys. 36 packs. And the main reason I'm looking for that Mark Jackson, hopefully I get one soon, is like people realize that the Menendez brothers was actually in the photo that's on his card. And that kind of, you know, has made the value go up majorly over the last couple of years. Like nobody had realized it for like probably decades. Like Danny Ferry. That's why I finally realized that now it's like the value's up. PSA 10's listing something like $300. So Larry Bird. Tim Hardaway rookie, not very well centered. Like I said, maybe some of these star cards, I mean, it was so many of these cards produced back in the day. I don't think it's much value unless it's PSA 10 and it's like Jordan or some other type of anomaly error card, or Jordan has the wrong jersey, never wrong cards. Like those things have some value. But beyond that, there's Dominique. Isaiah Thomas, All-Star card. To Zeke in the back. All-time favorite Piston. I still haven't gotten his autograph. Oh, I got a couple of his autographs. I might start showing those in the background. And I'm doing this on a budget here. It's a hobby. Scotty. No, Mark Jackson's supposed to be in the Series 1. I bought the Series 1 because of that. I've not seen one yet. Let's see. A terrible card. Laylock rookie. Magic. There's the worm, Dennis Rodman. Maybe he's in Series 2. I got a couple Michael Jordan cards out of this, though. I don't think any of them are really well centered. So, we'll see how that goes. Oh, Lottie rookie. I'm sorry. Dennis Rodman, Charles Barkley. Sean Kent rookie card. Not very well centered. Kevin McHale All-Star card. Sean Elliott rookie. Repairs All-Star. Josh Spectorovich rookie. This is centered well. Centered really well. See this what the value is on this one. I don't know what's inside. It's like the best centered card I've pulled out so far of a decent player. These cards were so badly produced and overproduced back in the day. There's the Spud Webb. Hakeem Olajuwon. That's my dude. The Blue Edwards. Danny Ferry again. They should just make this worth something because how goofy he looks in this picture. He's a pretty good GM now. Halfway decent player. He can shoot pretty well. Got the day. Isaiah Thomas, Kirk Mahorn, the checklist. First one I've seen so far. Manute Bowl, Sun Bowl was pretty good so far. Chuck Daly, A Bird. It's fun just opening these things. It's like relaxing. That's the one thing I've enjoyed about start collecting again. It's just opening it up and seeing what's in there. The fun of that. Kevin Johnson, Kurt Rampus, Rod Strickland, Scott Hastings, another Dominique All-Star. Nobody else really. Got some more stuff in the back. I'm going to be popping those open soon. I'm trying to get some more of the rookies from '89. And I know the King Griffey does pretty well. There's Larry Bird, Reggie Miller, Dana Barros rookie, Scott Skiles, Craig Hodges, just a Magic All-Star MVP card. I'm going to check to see if anything's really worth anything. I don't really think it is outside of those cards. I was looking it up recently. Watched somebody else do a break. Was just like, you know, these things are pretty cheap. They were cheaper too before that. People figured out that card had a lot of value. Sherman Douglas rookie, Kevin McHale, Kenny Smith, Chris Mullin, card by Tom Chambers. Well, nothing really big so far. Got that one. We had a couple of those Sam Vincent variations with the Jordan with the wrong number. We got Joe Dumars, Dave Robinson, Rookie of the Year. I've hit not one. The card I'm actually looking for, Phil Jackson, Scott Pippen. I've not hit one with the Mark Jackson rookie cards. Is this the right box? I believe this is the right box. That's the Sam Vincent card in there. The Jordan numbers. Sam Bowie. Maybe he just not meant to be in this one. It's still fun looking. Isaiah Thomas All-Star. Sam Mitchell rookie. Sam Mitchell's a decent player. Hakeem Olajuwon, Chris Mullin, Ray Cycli, most improved player. Craig Hodges, this is Kevin McHale. And with AJ Green. Charles Smith, Sherman Douglas, rookie again, Kevin McHale. Insert Chuck Daly and Pat Riley. And it's terribly off-center. An all-star. Bill Cartwright, Tom Chambers. I think it's really cool because this is really my first cards I remember purchasing as a kid and going to the store and buying. And like opening up the packs. Hakeem. Tim Hardaway rookie. Derek Harper. Okay. There it is. The Mark Jackson card. Not centered well at all, so I can't get it graded. But there's the Menendez brothers right there. I think they had just killed their parents too, and then went to the game with the money. Captured in Mark Jackson. I believe this is his rookie card. No, it's not his rookie card. But this is the Mark Jackson card. It's really popular. Right now, put that to the side. Not good enough to grade, but good enough to have in the collection. The Michael Jordan card. Centered well. Oh, crap. But the edges are bad. Still good for the collection. So I finally get the two of the cards I'm looking for. And both of them are, one's cut well, not cut well, the other one edges are just terrible. This is straight, oh, there's Jordan. Centering is not good either. Edges, corners, okay. Then over to Jordan pile. And Robinson rookie. Keep Olajuwon. And Karl Malone. Another Danny Ferry. Like, I don't know why his rookie card is not popular. Look at this. Look how bad this is. Danny Ferry. Like, he must have just made somebody mad when they were taking the photo. It's like, I'm just going to put the worst picture of you possible. If he wasn't playing or whatever, they could have picked a much better picture than that. Like, they just like found the worst picture they could. All right. Glenn Rivers? Doc Rivers' name is Glenn? Oh. Black. Yeah, like this pack was just terrible. I think maybe the Glenn Rivers. Hey, Glenn. He's extremely emotional about Kobe. That was like one of the saddest interviews I've ever seen. Like all the Kobe stuff's just been really bad. Petrovich on the back. Let's start with Danny Manning. Charles Oakley, Sean Elliott rookie. See if I can pull anything else. There it is, Dragic Petrovic rookie. This one's well centered too. Some good edges. Maybe it's worth something. All right, thanks guys for watching. That was fun.